Very exciting guest coming to this project today. So because of all the videoing and stuff we do, the daughter of the original builder of this home has seen this project and they've gone and shown it to him and he wants to come to site and see it. So he's in his 80s now, the house is 41 years old, and this was a really special house to them because the two daughters used to call this the doll's house because back in the day, the style of the home, and it would have been a mansion. So I can't wait for Cole to show up today. We're going to have a full walk through the job, and I just can't wait to talk to him about being a builder and his experience in the industry and how he built this incredible home 41 years ago. Do you remember what this house cost to build when you built it?
No.
No?
No. Oh, well, that was another thing. Everything was cash. We'd tell him how much, you know, he owed us, and then in the afternoon he'd come back with 2 cartons of Forex bitter and all this great rolls of Colin stuff. And I'd be getting around with a jam down in my nail bag and what have you. And then after we knock off time, we'd all go into the shed out here and have a big piss up and then drive home.
Times have changed, haven't they?
Yeah, oh, it certainly have.
It was quite a prestigious house back in the day.
Oh, yeah. It stood out like a pimple on a pig's back. Yeah, there was nothing much else like it around.
Yeah. Now, do you want to come and have a look at the back?
Yeah, I'll follow you. One of those 100-year-old doors, I think, was in here. From memory, or used to be.
Was the marina and that all there when you built this?
No, none of that. It was just a canal.
This bit here has been changed.
Yeah, I just noticed that.
Because the old one...
Yeah, that's the one I was looking for when I stepped out there.
Did you do many in the area?
3 that I can think. Oh, 4. 4, I think. Yeah.
But she's all gone now. Like both those there were double brick walls, like right through. They're all gone.
Yeah. Was that a dining room?
Yeah, I think there might have been a dining room in the middle there or something. But
there's an old newspaper article from, let's see, 1983, and you can kind of see the house there.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh yeah.
Did you want to have a quick look upstairs?
Yeah, I'll go up and have a wander around.
The timber in here is unreal. Like the size of these old bits of hardwood.
Yeah.
They're not laminated. That's solid timber. That one through there.
This when it was first done, this sagged.
Yeah.
And I had to put that big laminated beam through and that hook rod through that hanging beam to lift that up.
Oh, well, we couldn't work out why that was there, but that all makes sense.
That's what it was there for.
Yeah.
There was one wall here, and it'd have to be that one. That was too heavy for us to lift up, so because we did it all on the floor and then stood it, I went over and got the chippies off this joint over here to come over and help us lift it up.
Did you only do work around Redcliffe?
Oh, I originally come from Longreach.
Yeah.
That's where I did my apprenticeship in. I worked all up in the Gulf, Mount Isa, Julia Creek.
Yeah.
And I came down here in 69? 70, and been here ever since.
Yeah, no, very cool.
That's an original, eh?
Yeah, there's a few of them around the place.
Yeah, every 1800 they should have been.
Yeah.
From memory.
Yeah.
See, I had to change from imperial to metric.
Yeah.
And oh boy, that took a while. But anyhow.
Did you enjoyed being a builder?
Oh, I loved it.
Yeah.
Yeah, yep. I'd get up in the morning and I'd go out to the back of the truck, drop the tailgate and sit on the tailgate and watch the world go by. Just looking at all my handiwork.
So you put all this together?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yep, all together.
Well, she's lasted the test of time. It's all perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to have a look out there while I'm here now.
Yeah.
I won't ever be back again, I wouldn't think. That's where the original garage stopped, was there.
Yeah. You got a good memory, mate. You remember what happened here? This is your old truss here.
Yeah, I
And you
can
got
see.
your
Yeah.
pole play out there, and then they've added this front section on.
All right. Oh, well, I better go, I suppose. And,
Yeah, all good, mate. All good. It's been a pleasure having you here and having a walk around.
yeah,
It's good.
same here. I really enjoyed it.